Okay, so good morning, kids. My name is Teacher Leo, and I am your teacher in math. Today, the topic that we have is about time. Are you ready? Okay, so before anything else, I'm going to share with you the vocabulary words. Here are the vocabulary words. Can you say after me? First is analog clock. Again, analog clock. Daytime, daytime. Digital clock, digital clock. Nighttime, nighttime. For you to understand it clearly, I'll show you some picture. So this is analog clock. There is a minute hand, hour hand, and second hand. Next is daytime. All right. So daytime is the time where you can see the sun. Digital clock. This time you will see numbers and you can read the time easily. Nighttime. Okay, what can you see during nighttime? Yes, you can see the moon. Now, we will start to discuss about how to tell the time. So every morning, Maki gets ready for school at 6 a.m. The hour hand points to the number 6 marks. Okay, so for you to see it clearly, let me view to you the picture. Okay, so the hour hand points to the number 6 and the minute hand points to the number 12. That's why, how can you read that? That's right. It's 6 o'clock. So remember, kids, that there are 60 minutes in an hour. This clock is an analog clock. It tells time with the hands on its face. The hour hand tells time in hours. The minute hand tells time in minutes. So remember, kids, that there are hands that we can see in analog clock. The minute hand and the hour hand. So look at this example. Maki leaves his house for school at 7:30 a.m. The hour hand points in the middle of the number 7 and 8 marks. The minute hand points to the number 6 mark. Therefore, the time reads as 7:30. So some clocks tell time using numbers. And do you know how is it called? Yes, they are called digital clock. So these are the example of the digital clock. You will see the time is 6 o'clock. And on the other hand, you will see the other one as 7:30. So digital clock, you can see the number to the left of the column, okay, and tells the time in hours. So that's right. This is the time in hours. So the time is 6. While the number to the right of the column tells the time in minutes. So there's no minutes here, so that is called o'clock. That's why 6 o'clock. When we read an analog clock, we cannot tell daytime and nighttime apart. We can use 12-hour time format to tell time in hours and minutes. So you look at this example. Daytime, we use AM. Nighttime, we use PM. So this is how you can see the difference. The hour hand points to the number 9 mark, and the minute hand points to the number 12 mark. So this is called 9 o'clock. But you will say daytime when it is AM. Okay? Nighttime from noon to midnight. So that is PM. So this clock shows the time. The time is 10:15. It could be daytime with AM or nighttime with PM. So how is it called 10:15? The hour hand points between number 10 and 11 marks. The minute hand points to the number 3 mark. Okay, so how do you write the time? In the morning, Monday classes start at 8:30. The time can be written in digital clock form as 8:30 a.m. So you will say a.m. because it's morning. It's daytime, the time where Monday will start his class. Her class is finished at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The time can be written in digital clock form as 4 p.m. So it's p.m. because it's already noon or afternoon. There are a total of 60 minutes in an hour. During daytime, the hour hand points between the number 9 and 10 marks, and the minute hand points to the number 5 mark. The time is called 9:25. This can be written in digital clock form as 9:25. So for you to see the picture, it's shows like this. So 9, and then the minute hand points to the 5. So when you count by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So the time is 9:25. All right. So remember, class, that during nighttime, the hour hand points between the number 10 and 11 marks, and the minute hand points to the number 9 mark. So in this case, you will call it as 10:45. Okay? And this can be written in digital clock form as 10:45 p.m. And don't forget, the number to the left of the column tells the time in hours. The number to the right of the column tells the time in minutes. We put AM at the end of the time from midnight until noon. And we put PM at the end of the time from noon until midnight. Okay, so let's start to try how you learn about the lesson. So are you ready? So first, the time shows us, very good, it's 2:30. Next, the time shows us, all right, it is 7 o'clock. You can see how to write in words and in digital form. Okay, so the next is 10:30. How about the fourth one? The time is, okay, very good. So it is 3:45. While the fifth is, okay, very good. It is 6:15. And the last one, okay, very good. It is 9:45. I mean 9:45. Okay, kids, another more. So write the time shown underneath the clock. Okay, so the first is, what time is it? It's 3:40. Yes, it is. How about the second one? What time is it? Very good. It is 5:05. Okay. You can say 55 or 5:05. And then the last one is okay. So that is called 5:35. Okay, kids. So another more in here, you are going to write the number or the time in digital uh, clock form. Okay. So the first is, it is called, very good. It's 10:15. How about the second one? What time is this? All right. So it is 1:30. Very good. How about the last one? Yes, this is 4:45. Very good. You are very good with this lesson, kids. Okay, so we have a game. This is called a message relay. Okay, so we're going to do that. Okay, so after we finish this message relay, let's go on and answer your book on page 86 to 87 to know how did you learn about this lesson. All right, kids, so that's all for now. And this is your teacher, Leo. See you again.